Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the About phone at the top. And now we have to find this OS version for POCO. Keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and now we can go back and scroll down to find additional settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again and enter developer options, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, as you can see. This list is really long. So for example, you can show view updates. Here you can change window animation scale. You can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking, so overall the USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on the specific option, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. You will need to restart your device. Simply tap on restart, and after that the developer options will disappear from the additional settings list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the OS versions tab and keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.